What you manifest, what you experience, and ultimately what you become is not random. It is structured. Your relationships, your income, your success, or even your failure, all of it is supported by an underlying system. OS-11 makes that system visible. Understand it, and you gain control. Ignore it, and you remain subject to it.
Most people spend their lives trying to avoid resistance, not realizing that resistance is the only thing that moves them forward. Without resistance, nothing turns, nothing rises, and nothing grows. A boat does not move with the current. It is steered by pushing against it. The water represents the present condition, what is actually happening right now. And it is only through resistance against those conditions that direction is created. If the boat simply drifts, there may be movement, but there is no control. Now consider the bird. A bird does not soar because the air carries it. It soars because it meets the air with the proper resistance. Its wings are shaped to work against the stream of air. And through that resistance, it gains its lift. It controls descent. It determines direction. Remove resistance, and the bird does not fly, it falls. Now bring it closer to where you live. Your own body operates by the same law. A muscle does not grow in comfort. It grows by pressing against weight, by meeting force with force. The greater the resistance, the greater the demand for adaptation. No resistance, no growth. No strain, no strength. Even something as simple as a tire follows this law. A tire cannot move efficiently through empty space. It must press against the ground. That contact, that friction, that resistance is what creates traction. This is not a coincidence. This is law. Resistance is not an obstacle to movement. Resistance is what makes movement possible. Resistance creates direction. Resistance enables ascension and descension. Resistance builds strength and endurance. Resistance allows motion with purpose. So what you've been calling problems, delays, opposition are not interruptions to your path. They are your path. Within the OS-11 system, resistance is not something to be avoided. It is something to be understood and used. Because resistance does something critical. It clarifies your desire, it forces adaptation, and it refines your identity. It shapes you into the one that is capable of holding what you claim to want. You do not manifest in the absence of resistance. You manifest through it. The boat needs the current. The bird needs the air. The muscle needs the weight. The wheels need the ground. And you need resistance. Because resistance is not opposing you, it's forming you, directing you, strengthening you, preparing you to command what comes next. If this truth has resonated with you and you're prepared to move forward, everything required is in the description of this video.
Manifestation. It's not a belief system, it's a law system.